Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Edgin Lee with an update for Bitcoin. All of this information has been released much in advance to the members. However, I wanted to give and share this with you from a longer term perspective and what kind of a critical time frame that we are probably in. So here, I've also introduced this on YouTube as the easiest buy sell indicator. In other words, whenever price crosses the blue 50-week moving average, it's a buy time. Whenever it crosses down, it's a sell. Crosses up again, it's a buy. If we look at the 2014-15 correction and the current correction, we see that there was a low and price then reached towards the 50-week moving average. It was summarily rejected, and rejected pretty hard from a percentage perspective, and it went below the prior local lows. I think we could see the same thing from a fractal perspective. So we have the price reaching towards the 50-week moving average, which, by the way, currently sits at around $6,000. The key question is, will it get rejected at the 50-week moving average? I think it will. I think it will get rejected very similar to the 2014-15, and the price will get decline on a percentage scale hard down towards to the low to maybe mid 3Ks. But I don't think it'll make a new lower low if it follows a fractal. It did not make a new lower low. Now, price will then meander around, consolidate, and then cross into and above the 50-week moving average, which will have inflected and start turning up itself. I use the non-exponential moving average because the exponential moving average provides greater emphasis to recent price data than older price data. I'd rather have all price data proportioned evenly if possible. Thereby, if this is correct, it is likely for a buy signal to appear maybe late summer, early fall time frame. Having said that, this is another chart that had been introduced to members much in advance of today's video for the public. Again, very similarly, this is a total market cap without Bitcoin influence. Buy signal is when the price rises above the 50-week moving average. Sell is when it falls below it. Price is right now sitting right underneath the belly of the 50-week moving average. But again, let's look at the 2014-15 episode. The price crossed it, came back down, crossed it up, down again, up and down again, and then finally stayed up. It was acting as if it was a needle and a thread sewing across the moving average. So in this total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, I think we could see the same thing. We can actually see the price probably pierce the 50-week moving average, but come back down, up, down, and then rise for a solid, definitive buy signal. And if you follow me on Twitter, I do tweet delayed analysis information. And the one that I put out just earlier is the before and after short-term perspective. So here, I had released to the members much more in advance really the development of a bullish ascending right triangle with a target of 57,708. Minimum target is likely to be exceeded towards probably the 6K or the low 6Ks. So that was a projection that was made, and that's the before and this is the after. There was a breakout today of the upper horizontal trend line, and that is bullish. That means we are likely to hit the 5,700 and further, probably into the 6K, because that 6K region holds significant resistance. And that is where I think, as I had indicated, The price will get rejected for a correction, just like it did in 2014-15, but that'll be the last one, I think. But it'll still take a few months, 6 months or so, and then finally rise a full bar above the 50-week moving average for really the next bull cycle to occur. I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.